and welcome back. In the previous video, we discussed the difference between a data analyst and a data scientist. In this video, we will look at how data science can help businesses. Though we have discussed the importance of data science in businesses in the first video of this section, in this video, we will look at this topic in a lot more detail. So without wasting any more time, let us get started. Data scientists often write algorithms in coding languages like SQL and R to collect and analyze big data. When designed correctly and tested thoroughly, algorithms can catch information or trends that humans might miss. They can also significantly speed up the processes of gathering and analyzing data. Now, there are many ways by which data science is helping businesses to run in a better way. Data science is useful in gaining customer insights. Data about the customers can reveal details about their habits, demographic characteristics, preferences, aspirations, and a lot more. With so many potential sources of customer data, a foundational understanding of data science can help make sense of it. For instance, we may gather data about customers each time they visit your website, add an item to their cart, complete a purchase, open an email, or engage with a social media post. After ensuring the data from each source is accurate, we need to combine it in a process called data wrangling. Now, this might involve matching a customer's email address to their credit card information, social media handles, and purchase identifications. By aggregating the data, we can conclude and identify trends in their behaviors. Data science is used to predict future market trends. Collecting and analyzing data on a larger scale enables us to identify emerging trends in the market. Tracking purchase data, celebrities and influencers, and search engine queries can reveal what products people are interested in. By staying up to date on the behaviors of the target market, we can make business decisions that allow us to get ahead of the curve. Now we will look at the use of data science in the manufacturing industry, retail industry, travel industry, and the financial services sector. So let us start with the manufacturing industry. Now, data science is creating insight-driven manufacturing. The compelling data science story of Ford indicates how manufacturers take advantage of data. From wireless connections to in-vehicle sensors, Ford is leveraging advancements to gain insights into driver behavior and improve production times. Manufacturers use high-quality data from sensors placed in machines to predict failure rates of equipment, streamline inventory management, and optimize factory floor space. For long, manufacturers have been seeking to address equipment downtime. The advent of IoT has allowed manufacturers to make machines talk with one another. The resulting data is leveraged through data science to reduce unplanned equipment downtime. Now let us move to the retail industry. The retail industry is picking nuggets of wisdom from data that is growing exponentially by leveraging data science. Data scientists at Rolls-Royce determine the right time for scheduling maintenance by analyzing airplane engines data. L'Oreal has data scientists working to find out how several cosmetics affect several skin types. Retailers now lean on predictive analytics to improve customer experience across devices and channels. Sentiment analysis of product reviews, call center records, and social media streams allow the retail industry to gain market insights and customer feedback. When it comes to marketing, retailers are leveraging data science to ensure personalized offers reach customers' mobile phones. Data science also helps retailers benefit from real-time inventory management and tracking. GPS-enabled big data telematics help optimize routes and promote efficient transportation. Retailers are exploiting unstructured and structured data to support demand-driven forecasting. The next industry that uses data science is the travel industry. Now, travel companies, they use a combination of data sets from social media, itineraries, predictive analytics, behavioral targeting, and location tracking to arrive at a 360-degree view. For example, a customer visiting Facebook pages in Zurich can be attracted with discounted offers on flights to Switzerland. Delta Airlines had planned to give phablet to 19,000 flight attendants. In this way, flight attendants would capture customer preferences and previous travel experiences to provide personalized experience. The key here is to get a single view of the client. By integrating historical data, advanced booking trends, as well as customer behavioral data, travel companies ensure maximum yield with no vacant seats. Predictive algorithms are proving useful to send drivers to the available parking stations. Data from sources on wind, weather, and traffic that is being used to predict fuel needs and delays. Finally, we will talk about the financial sector. Financial services companies are turning to data science for answers, leveraging new data sources to build predictive models and simulate market events using NoSQL, Hadoop, and Storm to exploit non-traditional data sets and store different data for future analysis. Data science comes to life to automate risk credit management. Real-time analytics serves financial institutions' purpose in fighting fraud. Parameters like spending patterns, account balances, employment details, and credit history, among others, they are analyzed by banks to determine if transactions are fair and open. Lenders get a clear understanding of the customer's business operations, assets, and transaction history through credit ratings that are updated in real time. So I hope you have understood how data science helps businesses. In the next video, we will look at the tools that are used to solve data science problems. Till then, stay safe and keep learning. Bye.